Hello guys, welcome back to Mama Joan house where it's hot. And you guys know when I said it's hot, you know it means it's hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. You know what guys, today is Papa Harry's birthday, but you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pretend like I don't know say it's his birthday. I'm not even gonna tell him happy birthday because guys, I get up from morning and all I'm doing is I'm just doing my gardening. Okay guys, I'm making my doing my flower spot. Let me make you guys take a look at it. Okay, see it here guys, I'm doing up my pots them myself because I am cheap, you know. I just buy the flowers them and I just make my arrangement myself, because to buy an arrangement is $27 and I can spend $27 and buy the flowers them. I make $127 can give me like 4 to 5 baskets. So that's what I am doing right now guys. So I have D'Angelo them order some food for him. I have D'Angelo them order some food for him, so that's gonna come later. So I am just gonna pretend like I don't remember that it's his birthday if you see his reaction. Okay guys, so I'll be right back. Well guys, I'm doing a little blogging with my gardening as I show you guys before. Papa Harry! Papa Harry!
No.
I soon come back, go to the store, go pick up a couple more stuff for me garden, you know?
You go to the store again, Joan?
Yeah,
What do you mean you talk about gardening at the time you talk about all?
because today is a nice day. I'm gardening, I plant up my flowers and I need to get a couple more stuff for the garden. So I go deal with right now. So I soon come back, okay? I'll be back soon.
Can't deal with you now.
I mean you can't deal with me. Okay. Guys, right now what I gonna do, I am going to pick up the cake for him. Okay guys, that's what I gonna do. I'm gonna pick up the cake and then get it going. So guys, right now I am going to go pick up the cake for Papa Harry, because all I'm worry about, you know, say I'm birthday and all me doing is gardening from morning, but it have to be like that because him run something for me. I run something back on him secretly, quietly, decently. So guys, I'll get back to you when I come back home. So guys, I just reached home. I get the cake. Papa Harry gone back downstairs in the basement. Guys, let me show you the cake, okay? See the cake there? It's a happy birthday general, because I'm a general, you know. So we have to put happy birthday general. Now that put Papa Harry, we don't put happy birthday general pan him cake. So now guys, gonna go put this away in the fridge. Go back outside, go continue do a little bit more of my gardening. Okay guys, and I'll be back. Anyway guys, Papa Harry just come back upstairs. I asked me if all I'm gonna do is gardening all day, and I tell him yes, all I'm doing is gardening. Can't you see that all I'm doing is gardening? I'm looking after my flowers, getting my flowers together. Shit, I know it's his birthday, but you know guys, I'm doing a little blogging, so I'm gonna set up the camera right now, you understand me, and get going with this thing. Okay, all right, let's go. So guys, Papa Harry keep coming upstairs and interfere with my thing. This is my flowers thing when I make up. This is my pot when I make up outside. For the front, these are for my front pot. So I'm doing these up right now. And guys, I have the cake and I put the cake around the corner here because him keep coming upstairs and I have to cake from him. Yeah, this I'm just around the corner. You know, so I go and do me, go and make up my, I'm going to continue making up my flowers, but and guys, me can't talk too loud. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so this is my pot for the front. Okay, so this is one pot for the front. Going back to the next one.
Hi girl.
Yo, what?
Where there? I just play gardening today.
Harry, can you stop bothering me? Me I do my garden when me done. You know, I'm dealing with my flower. I'm making my flowers spot them for the front, for outside of the front. Okay? You need to stop perplex my brains, man. This one is already wicked, 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 wicked.
For jokes. They say, you just garden all day today and not for nothing.
Listen, we need to finish up this part to put at the front, and at them me I do forget the place ready for the summer. So when me don't do what me I do, then me can think about that. But right now, we just need to finish my part then. So I love if you just stop disturbing me. I'm blogging my thing. I'm blogging my flowers. I'm doing my flowers and I'm blogging it, and each time you come disturb me. Yes, about what? You keep disturbing me. Me tell you, say me I plant up the little pot them and you keep, and me I blog me thing and you just keep disturbing me. But honey, what?
No, but me I say like today, this year I do all day today, Joan.
Yes, so this me gonna do all day today. You have a problem with that?
Yeah, but today should be, you know, today is a different day of all the days. Them like yesterday, the day before. You can see you doing this and thing, but of all the days, today, Joan.
So what's the difference?
Or you treat today so.
Today is just a regular day. It's the same day like yesterday, tomorrow.
No, Joan. Today is like the next greatest day to Christmas. And you know, remember that, Joan? Today is a great day, you know, Joan.
A great day?
Of course, Joan.
Today is just a regular day, Harry. What's so great about today? It's just a regular day.
After Christmas is my birthday. Today, after Christmas, honey.
Yeah.
Honey, after Christmas, I'm a birthday. You know, nothing today, my birthday. If that's today, my birthday, Joan.
Today is not your birthday. Today can't be your birthday. So when you tell me say today your birthday.
Today is the 11th of May, Joan.
Today what?
The 11th of May, Joan. You think it's still Christmas? It's still not Christmas. Joan, we can't believe it, Joan, of all the things then. Today, 11th of May, you know, cook nothing at all, you know, see it.
Well, only me not even remember so today I'm here.
Cupcake, for say, with a one candle upon it, Joan, nothing. And my birthday, you know how I love my birthday, Joan.
Well,
you know how I care for that the day. If you don't even look, Joan, I pass you all day today. All you do, you just pass me like, you don't even notice me. I say for real, for my birthday only.
Where said today your birthday?
Then I wish they my birthday, Joan, and I must today, the 11th of May, Joan.
Today I'm May the 11th?
Yes, Joan. Of all the days, Joan. Oh, you forgot my birthday, Joan. You can't, oh, you forgot that, Joan. That is a day where you're not supposed to forget no time at all.
Well, only child, me I garden my garden from morning and me totally never remember. I don't even know what day it was today, the day. I don't, I tell you
no,
God, I didn't even know what was, I didn't even know what was the day today.
Joan.
And you said today is the 11th. You sure said today your birthday, Harry? You sure said the 11th of the May? I have to go check the calendar for that. I have to go check the calendar.
Well, only,
if today is really your birthday.
If it's even 10 minutes
Yeah?
out of my birthday, me I beg you.
You beg me 10 minutes?
10 minutes only.
Well, me have to go check your calendar to see if today is the 11th of the birthday.
If you have 10 minutes.
Yeah, me have to go check it. Because your man we said today your birthday and is that your birthday. You have so much different birthday that we can't even know which one are the one. Are you right, birthday? So me never even know so today was the 11th of the
Today is the right one, Joan.
Today is the right one?
Today is the right one, Joan. Today is the 11th. I mean, I never tell you. Christmas, then my birthday. That's it.
Christmas then, let me think after Christmas on my birthday.
Your birthday and my responsibility that. Because I forgot that. So, I figure say, for you, and my birthday are the next big day. Big day that. I forgot my girl. See amount of it long. Go on, yeah. That's why you don't want you ain't nice with you know. Anyway, honey, try to find a little bit of time for your good old husband because you can't deal with it. Right now my heart hurt
You want to hurt you?
Yes, honey, I can't believe you forgot my birthday, my girl.
Well, I saw it going on life.
That's more like death to me, Joan. It sound like life.
Well, only child in my gardening with my flowers arrangement for my pot outside. You know, this was kind of important
When
today.
you're hungry, don't honey.
You hungry?
Yes, honey, please.
Okay.
Gosh.
Harry! Okay, guys, Papa Harry get mad and in him feelings. So, me I go get the cake, guys. So, she part me eye the cake here. See the cake here. So, she part me eye the cake. Me I go get the cake. Papa Harry! Come here! Papa Harry, happy birthday, sweetheart. It was just a prank.
Oh, so the cake is
Yes.
What?
See a cake there, and you have food on the way, honey child.
Okay.
So you know, I was
treat me so.
I was just messing around with you all day.
No, I'm not messing around for my birthday, honey.
Well, you know, like something I forgot. I was just messing around, pretending like so. Well, and I don't know. It was your birthday, and you didn't have nothing going for your birthday. You understand
Well, honey,
me? Because you messed around all the time.
happy birthday.
Happy birthday, the general.
What?
My God! Wow!
Me that?
Yes.
That's a general. I get some food tonight different from them cake. Yeah.
Yes.
Lord, general, a real general tonight. Remember me, I go be the general. I go be the general. General
So
tonight.
guys,
General.
I got Papa Harry a cake.
Oh, that killer is it? They true that they no more, Mama true.
Turn around the cake.
Yes.
See guys, I get Papa Harry a cake. And you see where the pan it is the general.
True, man.
Okay.
True,
So
man.
anyway guys, we'll come to the end of the video. Papa Harry will have some cut cake.
Well,
And I'm asking you to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell things of mine, so you don't miss a video when I post. Okay guys, so today is Papa Harry official birthday,
true, man.
May the 11th. Okay guys, so
Today I'm 65,
like,
guys.
subscribe, and big up to all of my family out there. Okay guys, and I will see you in my next video.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.